Hi kids, good morning and welcome back to our math class with Teacher Bam. And for today we're going to just review everything that we have learned from this quarter po. So the very first lesson that we had was all about plane shapes. And when we say plane shapes, they are closed, flat figures. Examples po are, the examples are circle, it is a round. It has no sides. Again, circle has no sides and no corners. We also have square. It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. And triangle, it is also a plane shape. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. And rectangle, it has 2 long sides. Yes, and 2 short sides and 4 corners. So as what you can see here, grade 1, when we say side, it is a straight line that is part of the shape. And when we say corner, it is where 2 sides meet. Okay, so don't forget when Teacher Bem asks you what is plane shape, don't forget that it is closed and flat figure. Okay, it's closed and flat figure, just like the examples that I have shown you. So another examples po, these are the shapes po na they are flat figures po. They're just flat. Okay, closed and flat figures. All right, so that's it. The next lesson was all about solid shape. And don't forget, when we say solid shape, they are 3-dimensional. Okay, plain shape, it's only 2-dimensional, but solid shapes, they are 3-dimensional figures. They have length, width, and height. Some solid shapes have a curved surface. So example of the solid shapes are rectangular prism. Okay. The solid shape, as what you've said last time, you can hold it po. You can hold it po. All right. So again, rectangular prism. Example: the shoebox, the sphere. An example of sphere object is the ball. The cone. Example is the ice cream. Cylinder, pyramid, and also cube. And actually, there's more. So they are the 3-dimensional figures po. They are what we call solid shape. 3-dimensional po ha. Next, we have the continuous pattern. So when we say continuous patterns, it is a series of elements formed by following a rule. You're going to follow a certain rule po. Okay? Patterns. An element in pattern is called term. Again, an element in pattern is called what? It is what we call term. So we have here some examples. Numbers and letters form patterns. Patterns may show continuing series. So example po, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what is the next number? So in this grade 1, the pattern rule here is add 2. So if you're going to add 2, what would be the next number after 10? Okay, so after 10, the answer is 12. So if it's numbers, meron din po tayong odd numbers. So that was even numbers. This one is odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. What do you think is the next after 13 if our pattern rule here is add 2? 13, 14, 15. So the answer here is 15. So that's it po. And not only numbers, but also we have letters. So example, B, D, F, H. Now the pattern rule here is skip every other letter. So what is after H if you're going to skip one letter? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So after H will be I. You're going to skip I, H, I. What's after I? After I, the next one is J. So the answer here is J. All right, so that's it po. Now let's talk about repeating patterns. So repeating pattern, again, pattern is the order of objects, shapes, not only that, but also numbers, letters, or event. In a repeating pattern, the core is the part of the pattern that repeats. So example po, core have 2 or more elements. Yes. So we have here, what comes next in this repeating pattern? So the last one here is sunflower. What do you think is the next one po? What is the next element po? Okay, so the next one here is the leaf. All right. So what comes next in this repeating pattern? It is the leaf. And then what is the core of this repeating pattern? The cores are the leaf and the sunflower. That's why we have it here. Next, how many elements or terms are in the core? We only have 2. Okay, so this is just an example. I know this is very, very, very easy for you. This is very, very easy for you. Now, this time we're going to talk about time. Time, 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 time. I hope you can still remember about time. So this one, this example is what we call analog clock. Analog clock. I know that you already have your analog clock as your project. So analog clock, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until 12. Yes, these numbers represent the hours. Again, the numbers that we have here, they represent the hours, the hours. All right, so each line between the numbers represents 1 minute. So this one, oh, wait. Let's have this one, this line, that is 1 minute. Okay, tigwa 1 minute po yan. All right. So as what Teacher Bem told you, each number as well has what? It has 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. All right. So we have 60 minutes in all if we have 1 hour. So the clock has 2 hands. These are a short hand, which is the hour hand, and a long hand, which is the minute hand. All right. So again, we have 2 hands only, a short hand and a long hand. So don't forget as well, grade 1, that a half hour has 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. A quarter hour has 15 minutes only, not 45, but 15 minutes when we say quarter. Okay po? And an hour has 60 minutes. Again, an hour has 60 minutes. So when the minute hand moves 60, the hour hand will be moved 1 hour. Okay po? So the next one here is we were talking about days and weeks. And when we say days and weeks, okay. So when we say days and weeks, how many days po in a week? There are 7 days. So this is what we call calendar. When we say calendar, this shows the days, weeks, and months of the year. We use calendar to tell what day it is. So I hope that you can still remember the song that we have. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So there are 7 days in a week. And I know that you already memorized this song. So don't forget that the first day of the week is the Sunday and the 7th day of the week is Saturday po. Okay? And we only have 5 weekdays, where weekdays we are going to school po Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And the weekends are, which we don't have class, these are Sunday and Saturday. That is weekend. So that's it po. And lastly, I think this one is our last lesson in math. It's about months in a year. So months in a year, how many months do we have in a year? January, February, March, April, May, and June. July, August, September, October, November, December. So that's it po. Those are the months. Now, grade 1. Since we are talking about the months, yes, in a year, there are 2, 4, 6, 7. There are 7 months which have 31 days. These are January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. And 4 months that have 30 days, these are June, April, September, and November. And we have a special month. Yes, we have a very special month which has 28 days. Yes, we only have 28 days, but a leap year which happens every 4 years lang po, it has 29 days. This is February po. February po siya. The very special month that we have. Okay, so I think that's all for our lesson for this quarter in math. And tomorrow we are going to have a review using our Edmodo. So please prepare also your Edmodo for our review week. So again, I hope to see you all tomorrow. Don't be absent because this is our review week for the last quarter. This is Teacher Bem, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye, kids.